So now we're going to open your toy. You want us to open your toy now? So we went to the West Hills Mall just to buy this toy. Okay.
Scissors.
What?
Scissors.
Scissors. So what is this toys?
It race car.
Race cars, speedy cars. And this one, what's this? This one, what is this? Police car.
This car.
This one,
No, this one.
off-road car. This one is sports car.
This one.
4x4 car. School bus. Hospital
This one.
bus or ambulance.
This one.
4x4 car. This one is fire truck.
This one.
This one is a fire truck also.
This one.
Tour bus.
This
This one is Jeep. This one is a racing car.
How about this one?
This one.
This one.
This one is a racing car also.
This one.
It's a two racing car, gray and blue. And this one is a bus stop traffic light sign. Okay. So we'll open it. How are we going to open this one? From the bottom? Okay, we'll open it from the bottom. Sit there, sit there. So we need scissors. So opening this new. Wait. Wait. Need to be careful with the scissors. Wait, last one. Wait. Yay! So these are your cars. Your new toys again. Okay, then I will pick it up. Okay, there's a scotch tape there. Okay, here. Are you happy? Are you happy? What you going to say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Here. Very lovely. So you have your toys now. So these are your new toys. Are you happy with your new toys? Say yes.
Yeah.
What are you going to say?
Thank you.
Okay. This is it, right? You have fire truck. What else? This one is sports car. This one is a 4x4 car. Police car. This one is a sports car. This one is
Fire engine.
fire truck or what is this?
It's fire engine.
This one is a school bus. This one is what? Jeep. This one, what's this?
Race car.
Race car. How about this one?
Deca bus.
Tour car.
Toy car.
Tour bus.
Toy bus.
And this one, what's this? What's this one, Boo?
Ambulance.
Ambulance. Okay, say thank you.
Thank you.
And bye-bye.
This one.
What is that? Stop road sign.
This one.
What is that one? Let me see. This one is also like train sign.
This one.
This one is like the height of the sign also.
This one.
This one is a sign also.
This one.
This one is short traffic light. That's why we bought this one, because of this traffic
This
light.
one.
This one is also like the bus stop shop, and I don't know what's the other one. Sports stadium.
This one. What's
Yeah,
that?
that's the 4x4 car.
What's that?
It's also a roadside. Okay, that's all.
Bye bye.